You know that moment where you flip back through your 3 notebooks trying to find one specific meeting note? Or you took a photo of your whiteboard sketch and now it's buried somewhere in your camera roll? So there's actually a really clean solution for that. So let's go over the XPPen Note Plus. I'm gonna go over all the key features, show you how the syncing works with the app, and talk about who this digital notebook is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. And there's one design choice on this that I think saves you real money long term, and I'll get to that in a minute. So the XPPen Note Plus is a smart digital notebook, basically an A5 sized writing pad that captures everything you write or sketch on paper, and it syncs wirelessly to your phone through Bluetooth. This comes with the notebook itself, the digital pen, and a magnetic charging cable. It connects to both Android and iOS devices. So let's get a closer look here. Okay, so let's do the unboxing here. All right, so we got the notebook. Really nice feel to it. And yep, that's of course real paper here. Yeah, real nice, solid notebook. Good smooth feel to it. Also really nice look to it as well. Okay, then of course we have our charging cable. We have the little magnetic clamp to USB-A. And of course we have our digital pen. We have a nice little case for it. We can wrap this around the actual notebook as well. So that's a nice touch. It's the same material as the outside of this. See the pen. It's a little heavier than you would expect. It's a nice soft rubber grip right here. Here's the tip of the pen. Okay, and then finally we have the warranty card. Then we also have a few other things. Note Plus cable. So these are the refills. So they're the Swiss Mini Star D1 0.8mm refill. Quick start guide, and then the warranty. So here's everything included: the notebook, the pen, charging cable, refill, quick start guide. Okay, so first let's just go over the device here. So we open the notebook and we can see that there was a green light that went off. That shows that it is active now. If we look closer at the bottom here, this is where all the functions are controlled. So for right here, there's a button right here, and then it's a multi-function button. So with a single click, you turn the page, and if you want to connect this to your app on your phone through Bluetooth, you would hold this down for 3 seconds and it would pair and you would get the blue light right there. And then if this is in sleep mode, you can press this button and wake it up. Okay, and then right here, we have an invisible reset button in between these 2 lights. So if the device is not working properly, just long press the hidden reset button for 3 seconds, and this will not delete offline notes stored in the device, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, and then the next status indicator light right here, that is the power indicator light. Okay, and then the sleep mode. So the device will automatically enter sleep mode when closed. And after powering on the Note Plus device, it'll automatically enter sleep mode after 15 minutes of inactivity. And as mentioned, you just press the multi-function button once or close and reopen the device to wake it up. Okay, and then we have our app, the Note Plus X app. You want to go ahead and download that and go ahead and open it. And again, to connect, we'll just cancel this for now. And then to connect, again, we'll just want to press the multi-purpose button, hold it for 3 seconds, and it'll connect when the app is open. And we have our notebook. So we go ahead and create a brand new notebook here. We go ahead and open this, and then we'll be able to actually see in real time when we start writing in the notebook. So this is really the big feature here. Go ahead and put this down. So what's awesome is you can write on actual paper with the included pen here, and everything appears on your phone in real time through Bluetooth 5.3. So the pen uses EMR technology with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which basically means it picks up the difference between a light sketch and a heavy stroke. So if you're drawing or doing any kind of detailing work, it's going to capture some of the nuance there. And what's nice about this is it's not like scanning a page about the fact, it's happening live as you write. So you can, be in a lecture or meeting and your notes are already digital by the time you're done. So let's have a look at that in action. Let's go ahead and open here, put my phone down. You can see it's going on my phone right now. And it's pretty accurate too. Let's get a closer look. Bring both up so you can see So it's not perfect, but it's pretty close. So you can see like the smile on the face, it's going below the actual head, but it still is pretty accurate. And you notice when I hover my pen really right over the paper, we can see the app picks it up. I'm not drawing anything yet, but it's picking up my movement here. That's really cool. So you can just, continue drawing, whatever you want to, or continue with your notes, and it'll update on your phone. So incredibly useful. If you look at the app itself, we can also make some changes. So if you look at the bottom here, we can change the color. So we can have red. So go ahead and show you that. Oh, exit out. So you can see now we have it red on the app. Of course, you can't have it red on the actual pen. It's in the physical world. This is just black ink, but you can change it, which is really cool. Also, you can change the actual utensil you use. So if you click icon here, we can choose between a pencil, a fountain pen, and a marker. So go ahead and do the fountain pen. It's a little bit finer detail. Have a look. Yeah, a little bit finer there. And then the marker, and we can see that the marker, it's thicker. So of course, obviously, again, it's gonna look the same in your actual notebook. So, but that's a really cool feature that you have, that you can, have these different writing utensils. I usually just keep it on the pencil though. Okay, and then more about the app here. So we can of course rename the note. We can also go ahead and share it. We can also add a tag to this. We have the thumbnail. So in case we flip the page here, so we can go scroll through them as we'd like. So what we can do is go ahead and turn the page and then press our multifunction button. And then we can see that it said created successfully and we're on the second page. And then we can go ahead and continue drawing or writing any notes. I have terrible handwriting, as you can see, but it's just so cool that you can see that being reflected on the app. Okay, so now here's the thing I mentioned earlier, and honestly, this is one that surprised me. So you're not locked into buying proprietary refills. Any A5 size notebook core that's 8mm thick or less works with this. So if you have a favorite paper brand or a specific style you prefer, you can just swap it in here. And that's a really big deal because a lot of smart notebooks require you to buy their specific paper, which adds up over time, and of course it's more expensive. And with this, when the notebook is full, you just grab any A5 refill and you keep going. So really simple, and you can have this be more cost effective. Okay, so here's something that's really practical. You don't need to be connected to use this notebook. You can write completely offline and the notes save locally on the device. Then when you reconnect via Bluetooth, everything auto syncs to your phone. So that means if you're on a flight, a lecture hall with spotty Wi-Fi, or just don't have your phone nearby, it's no problem. It's all waiting for you when you reconnect, which is really nice. So I'll go ahead and show you that. Let's just go ahead and close the app. Go and exit out of it. Close it down. Let's go on to a new paper here, and then we'll go ahead and start writing. Make sure to signal that it's on the next page. We are writing. You can see at the bottom here when I'm writing, this indicator lights up on this notebook to test the offline mode. Okay, and then we'll go back to the app, go to Note Plus, and it says Bluetooth connection successful, and it says detected offline notes in the device. Do you want to import them? Go ahead and it's importing. Boom. There we can go to the pages. And there we go, there's the offline sync. We are writing on this notebook to test the offline mode. So you can just carry this notebook anywhere, not have any issues, don't worry about the phone. It'll save locally, and you can sync it up with your phone. Okay, and then the battery life of this thing. So the battery is 1000 mAh, which gives you about 14 hours of continuous writing on a single charge. And the standby time is 50 days, so you're not charging this thing constantly. And when you do need to charge it, it goes from 0 to full in about 2.5 hours with a magnetic charger. For something you're using throughout the day for notes, 14 hours is definitely more than enough. You can go a full work week of heavy note taking before needing to charge. So that's always a bottleneck of battery life, and this just has a really long battery life. And we have the cable right here, so you can just see what it looks like with this attached. Again, right here, it's magnetic. You just plug this in and you are charging. Also, what's nice is this feels like a premium pen. The pen uses Swiss Mini Star D1 0.8mm refills. So what that means is the actual ink flow is smooth, as you see, and it doesn't smudge as well. It's just a quality pen. And it's not like a stylus scratching on glass or anything like that. Also, when you do export your notes, you can also export them as PDF, which is really nice. And we can see all the scribbles. And what's also nice is we can create just different notebooks. So we press the plus button and we can create a different notebook. So of course we're writing on certain things. We can just sync that up to the specific notebook that we want. Also, one other important thing to note in the right-hand corner to make sure that it is actually synced right here. That's the icon that it is linked up to the phone. If it is not, then there'll be a slash through the link sign. Okay, and then if we go to the settings on the phone, we can see that we're connected. There's the tags that we can create, and we can cloud sync this. So that's really cool that we can connect it to Google Drive as well. And then we have our offline notes. We don't have any offline notes right now, but those are where those are stored. So really comprehensive. So one thing to note while I've been using this is it's not really used for drawing. Again, it's not 100% accurate, so it's not gonna be something you wanna use to store drawings. It's really just, as it's in the name, it's used for note taking. You could of course use it for drawing and have it sync up, no problem with it. It's just not 100% accurate. Also, as far as the pressure that you give and it just getting all those exact articulations of the pressure that you give, it's not 100% accurate. There are better, note tablets for that. Again, the main use of this is for note taking. Okay, so let's talk about what I like about this. So you are writing on real paper with real ink, which of course I love. I've tried a lot of note, tablets, and it just doesn't feel natural. And everything is digitized automatically. The replaceable A5 core is a huge plus. That way you're not stuck into the ecosystem having to buy their paper. 14 hours of battery life is really solid for a device like this. The offline writing with auto sync is really practical for people who are on the go. This is just really lightweight and pretty small, and it just looks like a normal notebook, so it's always really nice. So one thing that could be improved, but there's no mention of a desktop app for Windows or Mac. So you're syncing to your phone or tablet, but if you want to work with your notes on a computer, you need to export as a PDF first and then transfer them over. It's not a deal breaker, but a desktop companion app would be really nice to have. So who should get this? So this is great for students. If you're taking lecture notes every day and you're tired of either losing physical notebooks or having to scan everything, this is great. Also, having the Google Drive backup and the tagging in the app means you can search through an entire semester of notes instantly. No more flipping through pages, trying to find something. This is also good for professionals who take meeting notes. If you're in a meeting all day and you prefer writing by hand but need digital records, this is great. And the offline mode means it works even in conference rooms with bad Wi-Fi. And even though this doesn't have the best pressure detection, sketchers and artists, if you like drawing on paper but want a digital copy of your work, this is also a good option. It's just not the highest end or best option for sketchers and artists. And as you saw, it still captures a lot of detail. And who should not get this? So of course, if you do not like taking handwritten notes, if you're already, typing up everything digitally on a laptop, this, obviously won't be for you. And if you need a full graphics tablet for desktop illustration work, this is more of a note-taking tool that syncs to mobile, not a replacement for the full graphics tablets. So in my opinion, the XPPen Note Plus is a really practical digital notebook, especially if you're someone who loves writing on paper but needs everything organized digitally. The fact that you can use any A5 notebook core, write offline, and have 14 hours of battery life makes it really flexible for daily use. So if you're looking for a digital notebook, this is definitely worth checking out.